Hello, Tony Booksaviles here with Monday Motivation on Tuesday. Why is it on Tuesday? Hey, I was busy yesterday. I heard someone use the words discouraged very recently as saying that they know someone who's looking to do something and yet they're getting discouraged. So what does the word discouraged mean? It means to take the courage out of. I am dissecting or removing the courage from. So what's the word encourage mean? Encourage means to put the courage into. So when someone is discouraged, they don't have the courage to move forward any longer. So the key really is this. I remember when someone asked Oprah, how have you become so disciplined to achieve everything that you've done in your life? And she said, the discipline is in the doing. So if you're in a state right now where you are feeling discouraged, here's the thing that you must do. You must move forward. In the face of the fear, and it's difficult, Vince Lombardi says that fatigue makes cowards of us all. Because sometimes you're discouraged simply because you're tired. So if you're tired, the most productive thing that you can do is to rest. But after you finish resting, and don't rest too long because time moves forward, whether you're moving forward or not. You have to keep moving forward just to stay on plane. Well, once again, if you're feeling discouraged, the thing that you must do is move forward. The Rocky Balboa statement says, life is about getting hit and moving forward. That's how winning is done. So, if you're feeling discouraged, you must get up, plant your feet, and start putting one foot in front of the other and progress towards whatever it is that you're looking to progress to. And as you move forward, you will be putting the courage into you. Till next time, always remember, put your heart and soul in your goal and be well.